Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how Robinhood calculates interest on uninvested cash and savings features through programs like its high-yield cash sweep. Understanding the exact math behind your earnings helps you see how your money grows over time without needing to lock it into a traditional certificate of deposit or long-term investment vehicle. Robinhood calculates interest based on your eligible uninvested cash balance at the end of each day. This includes cash held in your brokerage account, cash designated for options collateral, or funds swept out to partner program banks. The platform uses the annual percentage yield, commonly referred to as APY, to determine your returns, but the actual accrual happens on a daily basis using compound interest. To break down the math, Robinhood converts the annual percentage yield into a daily interest rate factor. The formula takes the annual rate, adds 1, raises it to the power of 1 divided by the number of days in the year, typically 365 days, or 366 days during a leap year, and then subtracts 1. For example, if an account operates under an annual percentage yield of a specific rate, that resulting daily multiplier is extremely small, but it applies directly to your closing settled cash balance for that specific 24-hour period. Once the daily interest amount is calculated for your end-of-day balance, it is added to your cumulative earnings. Because Robinhood applies daily compounding, the interest you earn today is rolled into your total balance, meaning tomorrow's interest calculation builds on yesterday's payout plus your principal cash. Over weeks and months, this daily compounding mechanism accelerates the growth of your uninvested cash compared to simple interest structures. It is also important to look at how cash settlement impacts these daily calculations. You only earn interest on cash that is fully settled within your account. If you execute a stock trade or complete a bank transfer, unsettled funds or pending deposits do not accrue interest until the transaction officially settles, which usually takes 1 business day. Similarly, if you utilize margin and carry a debit balance, you will not earn interest through the cash program because your net cash balance is negative. By keeping track of settled balances and utilizing automated daily compounding, Robinhood ensures your cash works continuously behind the scenes while you decide on your next investment move. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.